Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to block people on Instagram. In the video description I have put useful software you probably don't know exists, so definitely check it out after this video. Anyway, we open the Instagram app, we tap on the home feed, now we swipe left to open the messages. Now we open one of the messages. Here we tap on view profile. Now we find the person you want to block, we open their profile and tap the three dots at the top right. Here there's two options: restrict, which is only you and the person can see their new comments on your post and their chat is now in your messages request. You can unstrict it by typing the same three dots and unstrict, or you can block it. If you block them, they won't be able to message you or find your profile or story on Instagram. They won't be notified that you blocked them. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and like this video.